The second thing I want to talk to you about here today is distance and speed and why those are going to be a little bit trickier for computer vision models and as well as LLMs to interpret. So as we just talked about, we now understand that LLM and AI models understand the world through pictures, right? I upload a picture, and even if I was to text you a picture right now and ask you, how far away am I from this person? You're gonna have to make an educated guess. Now, you might use some markers. For example, if the person's on a football field, you'd be able to use kind of the yardage markers to make a guess there. But if they're just standing in the middle of a field, it could be a mile. I could be using Zoom. It's really impossible to tell. And the same thing is true of an LLM trying to make a guess about distance or speed in a video. So often in sports or even for things like traffic, it's going to be tough for an LLM or an AI model to really make a guess about how far things are apart or how fast things are going when it's just looking at an image and then seeing the next image. It can map that, hey, this pixel was in this place and now it's in this place, and I know the road's this long, and do a math problem. The world's and how we film is uncontrollable. It doesn't really know where we're filming from, our vantage point, zoom, all of those things. So unless that's built into the prompt, or unless there's some standardized setting where it automatically is configured, asking an AI model, like, how fast am I running in this video? Or how far away is this building from me? Is gonna be a really tough thing for it to do because, again, it's understanding the world through frames. It doesn't have a full context where the human mind, we can gauge these things, right? We can say that guy's going pretty fast, that guy's going pretty slow. Someone that's walking, but actually looks like they're churning their legs and running, could in theory trick an AI model to think it's going much faster than it actually is, just because it doesn't have any perspective of distance or motion.